At 6:51 now, a children's entertainment performer from Cleveland takes the company that runs Facebook and Instagram to court. News 5 was the only station there. Hallie St. John goes by the name Hallie Bobally when she's working with kids.
She says Meta falsely accused her of having child sexual exploitation content, then gave her no way to fight those claims, so she sued.
News 5 investigator Jonathan Walsh takes us inside that courtroom and tells us how this story got the attention of people from all across the world.
As you can see, Hallie Bobally really likes books. What do? I read storybooks to children.
She entertains children for a living, but finds herself in a very different environment now, taking on one of the biggest companies in the world.
This is Hallie St. John versus Meta Platform Incorporated.
In Cleveland's small claims court.
This is a problem, and if no one is going to speak out against it, then nothing is going to happen.
Self-proclaimed figurative small person Hallie St. John came out swinging big.
Meta intentionally built a system that falsely accuses people and then provides no option to plead your case.
She's suing Meta for breach of contract when it accused her of child sexual exploitation content, then losing business while her accounts were down and having little options to tell Meta it was wrong.
I spent hours, Your Honor, looking for some way to contact this company. There is absolutely no way to get in touch with them.
After our first story with Hallie,
Well, that's me, Hallie Bobally, the wacky story song lady.
and subsequent reporting about helping others in her same boat, we were flooded with messages from people all across the country and even places like the UK, and a woman from Siberia, of all places, writing through an online translator, all with the same problem, looking for our help.
There's a very specific reason why we reached out to you, and it actually has to do with a listener who reached out to us.
Nationally syndicated radio program and podcast The TJ Show contacted us as well after they and a listener saw our reporting.
I had not heard of this, but our listener shared, and she was very stressed out and upset. Jonathan, would you mind if we connect you directly with the one listener that reached out to us?
Meet Dina Pizzatello from South Carolina.
I would love a letter from Meta clearing my name.
She is a school teacher and got scared by the same accusations, same message from Meta that Hallie received.
And we're both in the same industry working with children. And to be specifically falsely accused of something that is so disgusting relating children is really, really upsetting.
Dina says her local representative reached out and the News 5 investigators contacted Meta. Now, her accounts are back up, just like Hallie's accounts are running again as well.
What it has to do with for me is I so hope it gets back to Meta. I so hope that they hear this and they see how it's affecting my life and so many other people's lives.
Meta's attorney argued the company didn't make a mistake, that it appears AI had a false positive on Hallie's account. The company's terms and conditions are clear.
Disclaimer of any guarantee that the Facebook services will be safe, secure, error-free, or function without disruptions, delays, or imperfections.
And even then, the overarching law, Section 230 of the Communications Decency Act, protects Meta.
It provides complete statutory immunity to my client in cases like this where they're exercising editorial functions like removing or deleting an account.
Hallie was not impressed.
You're nothing without the people who get accounts from you. If you didn't have us, you wouldn't have a platform. So maybe treat those people with dignity.
I'm News 5 investigator Jonathan Walsh.
Meta's attorney declined our request for an interview after the hearing. The judge in the case has allowed for a few more filings in the case by early next month. Then he will make a decision. We'll let you know what happens.